Today we introduce you to customize the ribbon using workspaces or workspace. In AutoCAD, we have two ways to access the workspace. First, the quick access menu. Come down here, take it, let it come to the quick access menu. Now from here, you can select the desired area you are working for. 3D basics, we are selecting 3D basic. Here you see all the commands on the ribbon are changed. According to your work, you can change it. Come to 3D modeling. This is the third arrangement of the ribbon. The second way to access the workspace, come to the status bar, customization, and workspace switching. Now you see here a gear appear. Click on this. You have the option to select it from here. You can also come here to view, to disable navigation bar. We here have it deactivated. View cube, then uses the icon. And here if you see the layouts in here we also have those layouts. We can access these layouts, so we can also switch it off.